Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best driveway fabric on Amazon. The best driveway fabric offers a supportive layer for the laying of new driveway material, or when you need to replace chipped or worn out asphalt and cement or rutted gravel. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Super Geotextile 8 ounces fabric. The Super Geotextile 8 ounces fabric is an excellent all-around choice, consisting of durable, non-woven needle-punched construction that does great at resisting UV rays and mildew. Although not as strong as woven material, this driveway fabric works towards excellent soil separation and prevents erosion. One of this product's biggest draws is its availability in 3 weight classes, something most driveway fabric manufacturers do not offer. What we like about it: allows for high water flow. Durable, non-woven, needle-punched construction. Comes in 3 weight classes. Very easy to pierce using fabric staples. What we don't like about it: not as durable as woven geotextile fabric. Higher than average cost for larger sizes. Number 2. Weiler driveway fabric. The Weiler driveway fabric is designed to offer excellent stabilization of soil beneath gravel, starting with a needle-punched woven polyester blend polypropylene fabric construction. Needle-punched polypropylene allows it to be more porous, and at 5.8 ounces, it offers plenty of density, yet is breathable enough to allow water to go into the soil and not pool. Our only knock on the Weiler driveway fabric is the lack of higher density options available, as although 5.8 ounces is more than enough for regular wear and tear gravel driveways, other densities could be useful to more consumers. It also comes in only 4 sizes, ranging from 3 feet into 100 feet to 4 feet into 250 feet. But these are more than enough to cover most driveways and are relatively easy to cut and hold down with landscape staples. What we like about it: very durable needle-punched woven. Excellent density, 5.8 ounces. Solid permeability and UV resistant. What we don't like about it: no higher density options available. Does not include staples. Number 3. Flarmore 5 ounces woven driveway ground cover. The Flarmore 5 ounces woven driveway ground cover offers a 2-layer non-woven, needle-punched polypropylene weave that is designed to offer greater density, permeability, and strength. It promises to separate your soil from gravel, helping to limit invasive weeds and plants from sprucing up through whatever medium your driveway is, and it's permeable, so water will be able to seep through to prevent pooling, a must in wet weather areas. Arguably, one of the Flarmore 5 ounces woven driveway ground cover's biggest strengths is that it is biodegradable, which means it will not cause harm to the environment over the course of a long period of time. Don't worry, it doesn't impact its performance. What we like about it: durable needle-punched polypropylene construction. Helps prevent plants and weeds from sprucing up. Comes in 3 sizes. What we don't like about it: not as durable as woven material. Harder to deal with stubborn weeds. Lack of UV protection. Number 4. Armory commercial grade driveway fabric. The Armory commercial grade driveway fabric is a go-to choice for heavily worn and torn driveways with heavier vehicles. It consists of a solid, non-woven pattern that allows for excellent breathability and permeability. Strength ratings are solid, starting with a 200-pound grab tensile 15% grab elongation and 700-pound puncture strength rating. In other words, they are not so easy to break. It is also a popular choice with construction entrances and sidewalk stabilization. Our only knock on the product is that it does not include 6-inch landscape pins to hold it in place. What we like about it: excellent UV resistance. Comes in 3 sizes. What we don't like about it: 6-inch landscape pins not included. Very easy to cut, pay extra caution when cutting. Number 5. Happy Buy driveway fabric. Happy Buy driveway fabric works to stabilize driveways with a well-rounded feature set, including a durable, corrosion-resistant woven polypropylene construction that's good for 600 pounds of grab tensile strength, a testament to its soil-holding power. It offers a nice separation layer between your top rock and bottom dirt layers while allowing water and air to penetrate at the same time, a must-have to avoid pooling in high rain areas. What we like about it: corrosion-resistant woven polypropylene construction. High 600-pound grab tensile strength rating. Comes in 2 sizes. What we don't like about it: doesn't offer the tightest weave, 3D, possible. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.